the ocean, yeah. Body in motion, yeah. Riding your motion, yeah. Riding your motion, yeah. Baby, you want me.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Frontal and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're talking about this beautiful hair that I got from Link's official store on AliExpress. It is 100% human hair. It's 13x4 lace, 30 inches, 150 density, and it's deep wave. So let's just talk about the hair a little bit more. This hair is good quality hair. It's very affordable. I think this ran about, I paid $268 and 46 cents for this hair. So that's not bad for 30-inch hair. Okay, so right here I'm bleaching the knots. I did use my Quick Blue L'Oreal powder and my 50 volume developer. I do not recommend 50. I recommend 20 or 30. I feel like 50 is just speeds up the process, and you don't really want to speed any process up, okay? That didn't even make sense, but y'all know what I mean. So I'm just spreading it throughout the lace, making sure I don't get any baby hairs, any flyaway hairs, and yeah. After bleaching the knots, this is what the hair should look like. You should get like an orangish brownish tints. Alright, next I'm going to be plucking the hairline. I don't have a specific let me stop trying to act like I know how to say that word, but I don't have a way that I pluck the hair, so I'm just all over the place with it. But what I like to do is separate the baby hairs from the hairline and pluck behind the baby hairs. And yeah.
You got it, you got it, yeah. You nothing like my last one, that's just for a fact. She baby got it all, she bad, got her own bag. She thick, she swing them hips, and she walk with a lot of ass. She hood with a little class, she hood with a little class. So come on over to my way, I gotta make a move fast, like I'm in no race. So let me back you up, girl, let me call you my babe. I'll give you the world, you can have it your way. Yeah, cause I only want you. 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 Yeah, you got it, oh, you got it, yeah. 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 These bitches ain't got nothing on you, and baby, yeah, that's no cap. I'm gonna just spend the bag, and I'ma make it right back. Your ex, he wasn't shit, so you left him right on his ass. The way you on your shit, you making these bitches bad. So come on over to my way, I gotta make a move fast, like I'm in no race. So let me back you up, girl, let me call you my babe. I'll give you the world, you can have it your way. Yeah, cause I only want you. 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 Yeah, you got it, oh, you got it, yeah. 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 You got it, 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 you got it. got it, yeah, yeah. You got it. You got it. Yeah, yeah. You got it. You got it. Yeah.
Alrighty, next step is going in with my nude ball cap, placing it over my ears and cutting a hole where my ear is. Please be careful doing this. We don't need no cut off ears, okay? So please be careful. Alright, next I'm applying my Erica J lace glue over my bald cap. I highly recommend this. It's something I do to melt my cap down, and it really works. So highly recommend. After I apply the glue, I will be just blow drying it dry for about 5 minutes. Alright, after I blow dry it, I'm going in with my scissors, cutting the excess lace, or not the excess lace, the extra bald cap off. Make sure you get as close as the glue as possible so there's not any extra bald caps showing, because we don't need that, because it will show. Okay, so yeah, what I just said. Alright, next step is applying my makeup all over my cap. And I did get this makeup from my local beauty store. I do use a cream instead of a foundation. I just feel like the cream is much smoother. And anybody from Colorado knows, y'all know Hairjoy got all the good and bomb stuff. That's literally my go-to store, I promise you. But yeah, if you want like a cream foundation, please go to Hairjoy. Alright, sorry y'all, I got a little distracted there. But right now I'm just using my True Match tint in the color bronze. So for all my brown skins out there, you know what I'm saying? You a bronze baby, so use that bronze. But anyways, I'm just spraying it all over the lace, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. I just want to let y'all know, like, this is my second YouTube video, so please bear with me if I mess up, if I don't get anything on camera. I'm learning new things and I'm trying, so just please bear with me. I don't need no negative comments. I already know. Please don't tell me. Like, I don't need that, okay? But anyways, right here I'm just fitting my lace, seeing where I should part it, where I should cut it, and yeah, let's get to the video. I did cut the other side and cut the excess lace off the lace front off camera. Now I am going to be going in with my Erica J lace glue, which is one of the best glues. I love this glue so much. And I'm going to be applying 3 layers. But let's get into this glue, y'all. Erica J did her thing. I've been following her on YouTube for so long, and I'm just so happy she made this glue, because really this is all I use is this glue. It's waterproof. It stays on for so long. Mine stays on for like maybe 2.5 weeks. But yes, get into this glue, y'all. It's bomb, like bomb. Also, I forgot to mention, you want to make sure you smooth out this glue all the way and wait until it's completely dry to add another layer of glue. Also, please put glue on your cap and a little on your skin. You don't want to put too much on your skin. Also, I know y'all see me taking hair out my mouth and the glue and stuff. So I recommend pinning back your hair so that doesn't happen. Also, I like to go in with my see, this is why I cannot do voiceovers. Got to be glue. I'm going with my Got to Be glue, and I'm just spraying it so it gives it an extra hold. I'm going to be doing my baby hairs. What I like to do is just pick out a section and cut it and do my baby hairs like that. This is the final look. I am in love. Okay, 30-inch wear, 30-inch hair. Okay, But anyways, yes, work it, Tia, get it, Tia, what? Okay, bitch. But I think that's it, y'all. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, share, comment. Please let me know how I did. I'm taking all good comments, all bad. What's that called? Feedback. Criticism. Yes. I'm taking all of it. But yes. Bye, y'all. See y'all next time.
Just like the ocean, body in motion, body in your motion.